warning in effect from 2 a.m. Saturday to 2 a.m. Sunday. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a winter storm warning for heavy wet snow, which is in effect from 2 a.m. Saturday to 2 a.m. Sunday. The winter storm watch is no longer in effect. Accumulations, 8 to 14 inches. The highest amounts especially across the higher elevations and on non-paved surfaces. Timing, snow will overspread the region after midnight tonight and continue during Saturday. The snow could mix with, or even start as light rain briefly at the onset. Impacts, hazardous travel developing, and the heavy wet snow will likely weigh down trees which still have some leaves on them. This will lead to downed trees and power outages. The wet snow may fall heavy at times during the height of the storm, locally increasing the accumulation rate. Winds north 10 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Temperatures in the lower to mid-30s, and then dropping into the upper 20s Saturday night. Visibilities reduced to well under a mile at times. A winter storm warning means significant amounts of snow are expected. Gusty winds are also possible. This will make travel very hazardous or impossible. Winter storm warning in effect from 8 a.m. Saturday to 2 a.m. Sunday. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a winter storm warning for heavy wet snow, which is in effect from 8 a.m. Saturday to 2 a.m. Sunday. Accumulations, 2 to 6 inches. The highest amounts mainly across the higher elevations and on non-paved surfaces. Timing, rain will develop after midnight tonight, then mix with and change to wet snow during Saturday morning. Impacts, hazardous travel developing, and the heavy wet snow will likely weigh down trees which still have leaves on them. This will lead to some downed trees and power outages. The wet snow may fall heavy at times during the height of the storm, locally increasing the accumulation rate. Winds north 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Temperatures in the upper 30s to lower 40s, but then dropping to near freezing Saturday night. Visibilities reduced to well under a mile at times. A winter storm warning means significant amounts of snow are expected. Strong winds are also possible. This will make travel very hazardous.